Imagine holding a device that makes the current iPad Pro look like a calculator from the 90s. For years, Apple has been playing a game of incremental updates. A slightly faster chip here, a slightly brighter screen there. But the iPad 12th generation? This isn't just an update. It is the moment the iPad finally kills the MacBook. You've seen the rumors. You've heard the whispers from the supply chain in Shenzhen. But today, we are stripping away the marketing fluff and looking at the cold, hard reality of what Apple is about to drop on the world. If you are thinking about buying an iPad right now, stop. Seriously. You are about to make a massive mistake. Because what's coming in the 12th gen is going to redefine what we call a tablet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Silicon. We all thought the M3 or M4 was the ceiling for a mobile chassis. We were wrong. Insiders are pointing toward a specialized A-series hybrid that borrows architecture from the ultra-high-end desktop chips. We're talking about thermal management that shouldn't be possible in a device this thin. But why does that matter to you? It matters because for the first time, you aren't just browsing Safari. You are rendering 8K video in the palm of your hand without the back of the device turning into a frying pan. But it's not just about raw power. It's about the glass. The rumors regarding the tandem OLED technology moving down the line are game-changing. Imagine the deepest blacks you've ever seen, paired with a peak brightness that rivals the sun. When you watch a movie on this, or edit a photo, you aren't looking at a screen. You're looking through a window. This is the liquid retina dream finally realized. Now, I want you to think about the Apple Pencil. For a decade, it's been a stick of plastic. Reliable? Yes. Revolutionary? Not anymore. The 12th gen is rumored to launch alongside a peripheral that changes the tactile response of the screen itself. We are talking about haptic feedback that mimics the feel of paper or the resistance of a paintbrush. If you are a creator, the 12th gen isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. But there is a dark side to this. With all this power comes a price tag that might make your eyes water. Apple knows they have the market cornered. They know that once you see this display, your current iPad is going to feel like a relic. So, is the 12th gen a bold leap forward, or is it the ultimate wallet trap? Let's dive into ergonomics. The chassis is expected to undergo its first major refinement in years. Thinner bezels mean a larger canvas in a smaller footprint. It's the infinity pool design philosophy applied to a tablet. When you pick it up, it should feel like you're just holding a sheet of pixels. No borders, no distractions. Just your work, your art, or your entertainment. What about the software? iPadOS has been the golden cage for years. Great hardware, limited by a mobile operating system. But with the 12th gen, the rumors of a hybrid mode are reaching a fever pitch. Imagine plugging in a keyboard and having the interface transform into a desktop-class environment that actually handles file management like a pro. No more fighting with the Files app. No more mobile versions of your favorite software. This is the convergence we've been waiting for since Steve Jobs first sat in that leather chair and pulled the original iPad out of an envelope. The battery life is another frontier.